Question. The sides AB and AC of triangle ABC are produced to points E and D respectively. If bisectors BO and CO of angle CBE and angle BCD respectively meet at points O, then prove that angle BOC equal 90 degree minus half of angle BAC. Ray BO is a bisector of angle CBE. This is angle CBE. Ray BO is a bisector of angle CBE. So, angle CBO equal half of angle CBE. That is half of 180 minus y. How we got 180 minus y? By linear pair. So, that is 90 minus y by 2. Ray CO is the bisector of angle BCD. Angle BCO equal half of angle BCD. Bilinear pair 180 minus z. So that is half of 180 minus z, that is 90 minus z by 2. Now take the triangle BCO. From the triangle BCO we get angle BOC plus angle BCO plus angle CBO equal 180 degree. So angle BOC plus 90 minus z by 2 plus 90 minus y by 2 equal 180 degree. That is angle BOC equal z by 2 plus y by 2. That is y plus z by 2. But we know that x plus y plus z equal to 180 degree. So from that we get y plus z equal to 180 minus x. So by substituting the value we get 180 minus x by 2. In triangle BCO, angle BOC plus angle BCO plus angle CBO equal 180 degree. That is angle BOC plus 90 minus z by 2 plus 90 minus y by 2 equal 180 degree. Angle BOC equal z by 2 plus y by 2, that is y plus z by 2. But we know x plus y plus z equal to 180. So we find out the value of y plus z. Y plus z equal to 180 minus x. Now substitute the value of y plus z in y plus z by 2. That is, thus we get 180 minus x by 2. That is 90 minus x by 2. Thus we get angle BOC equal 90 minus x by 2. Already we know that angle x is angle BAC. So that is 90 minus angle BAC by 2, that is what we need to prove. Hope this is clear.